This is Thai Krapow Moo Kai Dao. I have my crispy egg right here. The basil, I like to do a basil per bite. I put chili powder. It's gonna be so crispy. It's so good. The eggs is super crispy, crunchy. The egg yolk pops right in there. I have like a basil right here. Ground pork. I made mine extra caramelized. Can you hear that egg? Wow. This is so comforting. Sweet, savory umami. With the rice, it becomes so well balanced. So comforting. I'm trying to get a little bit of everything. The ground pork in there. I'll leave the measurements in the description, okay? And you want like a full tutorial, step by step. As always, everything's on my YouTube channel. When I visited Thailand, there's so much food. So the locals, what they do, they eat Krapow as their go-to.